So today we are going to show you how to prepare a surmai fish fry, or what we call in local as anjal fish fry. There are many varieties of preparing this anjal fish fry, and this is our variety and this is how we do it in our home. This yummy, crispy and delicious anjal fish fry makes a great appetizer or a side for any meal, and also this goes well with the rice or any simple rasam or the tamarind sambar.
It's too yum.
So folks, this is anjal fish. This is clean, sliced and directly bought it from the market. So we have taken around 500 grams of fish. So totally there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 pieces, which means each piece consists of 100 grams each. So folks, without further ado, let's start preparing this yummy, delicious and crispy surmai fish fry.
Now take a bowl. Add 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and add salt as per the requirement. Now add handful of curry leaves, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, add 1 teaspoon of oil, and now add 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Now mix all the ingredients nice and thoroughly. And as you can see over here, the masala looks bit dry, so consider adding some water and make it bit light and running. If you require more water, you can add it as per your choice. And now once your masala is ready, apply it to the fish nice and evenly. The better you season the fish, the more it will be juicy and aromatic. And now let it rest for 1 hour so that the fish absorbs all the flavors from the masala.
One hour later.
Now add some oil to the frying pan and let it heat for a while. So here we are using the grill pan to fry the fish. So if you do not have grill pan, not to worry, you can use any normal frying pan. Now the smoke has started coming out of the pan. That means it's time to add the fish. So let's place the first piece in the pan. And now goes the second piece. Wow, look at this. It looks so beautiful. And now add the third piece. And here goes the fourth one. And the last and the final, the fifth piece. So folks, do not waste the masala. Add the leftover masala to the fish itself, and now let it fry on simmer. So if you keep the flame on the higher side, the masala will burn but the fish won't cook. And now to cook fish and masala evenly, keep the flame on simmer. So that is how you cook fish properly. So folks, here we are frying the fish using coconut oil, because the coconut oil gives a nice flavor and aroma to the fish. If you're not okay using coconut oil, then you can use oil of your own choice. But I recommend you folks to use the coconut oil, because the coconut oil gives the fish its authentic flavor and taste. So folks, now it's been around 5 minutes and now it's time to flip the fish. The fish has been properly cooked on its one side, and the masala is properly stick around. This is because once you are done adding the fish to the frying pan, do not move around the fish for almost 5 minutes, and that what keeps the masala to stick around the fish. And this is one of the easiest and simplest trick to follow. Now it's been around 10 minutes and the fish has been fried properly on both the sides for 5 minutes each, and here the fish looks juicier and crispier. And now it's time to transfer it to the oil absorbent paper, or what we call parchment paper. Make sure not to switch off the flame while transferring the fish. If you switch off the flame, the oil gets cooler and it gets absorbed by the fish, so fish becomes soggy instead of crispier. So it's better to switch off the flame once you're done transferring all the fish to the plate. And now garnish the fish with some nice and fresh curry leaves. Wow, that looks awesome. And wow folks, the fish looks amazing. So yeah folks, we are done preparing this surmai fish. And yeah, oh gosh, my mom has set up everything over here. And now it's right time for batting, because it's 3 o'clock in the noon. Along with the fish, mama has prepared boiled rice. Usually I have white rice, but today she has prepared boiled rice. Along with that, she has prepared tomato rasam. Oh, it smells yum. Shall I taste it? It's too yum. I can literally taste the sourness of the tomato in this rasam. It's very yum and it will go well with the rice. I just love it. And now without further ado, let's start the batting. So first we'll put some rasam. Okay, this is my order, mama. Let's put some rasam. Wow. Okay, now we are done adding rasam. And now to the fish. As you can see over here folks, wow, the fish looks yummy and delicious. I'm eagerly waiting to hog it up. Yeah, it's my favorite fish. And now let's squeeze some lime to it. You also squeeze, mama. The lime gives a bit of a citric texture to it. I mean bit of tanginess.
Both sides.
Ah, it's yum. Yeah, both the sides. No, for me one side is enough. And now we'll remove a small portion of the fish. This one. First I'm going to eat like this only. Give me your hand. Wow, it's awesome. It has come out really good. It's crispy, it's juicy, and wow, I don't know how to describe this. It has come out really yum.
Not burnt masala.
Yeah, the masala has not been burned, and literally when I'm eating this fish fry, the masala is not burned. The fish is cooked, and literally you can taste the masala also, because if you are having it with rice, literally you can take a small portion of the fish, mix with the rice, because it has bit of masala in it, and slowly mix it properly, and then you should have it, guys.
Coconut flavor.
It's too yum. Yeah, and also we have added coconut oil that gives extra flavor to the fish. Wow, it's just yum, mama.
I have.
You have, yeah. Oh, I'm sorry because I forgot you guys, because I was that much lost with this fish, and now I am giving you a suggestion. Go to the market, buy this fish, come home and prepare this tonight itself, because I am going to upload this video by evening, the same day when I shot this fish fry video. Go to the market, buy this fish and prepare today itself. You won't regret trying this out. Yeah folks, thank you for watching our video. It means a lot to us. If you are new to our channel, do hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to like and share our video. If you have any suggestions, please let us know in the comment section below. Oh, mama just broke the fish. And yeah folks, yeah, this is for you folks. And yeah, do not forget to try this fish today, right? So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.